Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of government compliance law. This area of law is crucial for businesses, organizations, and even individuals who interact with government regulations. Compliance law refers to the rules and standards set by governments to ensure that entities operate within legal boundaries. These laws are designed to promote fairness, transparency, and accountability. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large corporation, understanding compliance is essential to avoid legal trouble and maintain a good reputation. Let's start by exploring what government compliance law really means and why it matters in today's world. Government compliance law is a set of legal requirements that organizations must follow to operate lawfully. These requirements can cover a wide range of topics, from financial reporting and workplace safety to environmental protection and data privacy. The goal is to ensure that organizations act ethically and responsibly, protecting the interests of the public and the government. Compliance laws are enforced by various government agencies, and failing to comply can result in fines, penalties, or even criminal charges. In this scene, we'll break down the core components of compliance law and how they impact everyday business operations. Compliance isn't just about following rules, it's about building trust and credibility. When organizations comply with government laws, they demonstrate integrity and a commitment to ethical practices. This can enhance their reputation, attract customers, and foster positive relationships with regulators. On the other hand, non-compliance can lead to serious consequences, including legal action, financial losses, and damage to reputation. In today's interconnected world, compliance is more important than ever, as regulations continue to evolve and become more complex. There are many different types of government compliance laws, each targeting specific areas of business and society. Some common categories include labor laws, environmental regulations, financial reporting standards, and data protection rules. Each type of law is enforced by different agencies and comes with its own set of requirements. For example, labor laws protect workers' rights, while environmental laws aim to reduce pollution and conserve resources. Understanding the various types of compliance laws helps organizations stay on top of their obligation. Labor law compliance is a major aspect of government regulations. These laws are designed to protect employees' rights, ensure fair wages, and promote safe working conditions. Employers must adhere to rules regarding minimum wage, overtime pay, workplace safety, and anti-discrimination policies. Failure to comply with labor laws can result in lawsuits, fines, and even business closure. By understanding and following labor regulations, organizations can create a positive work environment and avoid costly legal disputes. Environmental compliance laws are designed to protect natural resources and reduce pollution. Organizations must follow regulations related to waste management, emissions, and resource conservation. These laws are enforced by agencies like the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, in the United States. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines, legal action, and harm to the environment. By adhering to environmental laws, businesses contribute to sustainability and demonstrate social responsibility. Financial compliance laws ensure that organizations accurately report their financial activities and prevent fraud. These laws require businesses to maintain transparent records, follow accounting standards, and submit regular reports to government agencies. Financial compliance is critical for maintaining investor confidence and preventing financial crimes like money laundering. Organizations that fail to comply may face audits, penalties, or criminal charges. Staying compliant helps businesses build trust with stakeholders and regulators. Data protection and privacy laws are increasingly important in today's digital world. These regulations require organizations to safeguard personal information and prevent unauthorized access or disclosure. Laws like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in Europe set strict standards for data handling, storage, and sharing. Non-compliance can result in significant fines and loss of customer trust. By following data protection laws, organizations show their commitment to privacy and security. Government compliance is enforced by various agencies, each with its own area of focus. For example, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, oversees workplace safety, while the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, regulates financial markets. These agencies have the authority to investigate violations, issue fines, and enforce corrective actions. Understanding which agencies oversee your industry is crucial for staying compliant and avoiding penalties. To meet government requirements, organizations often implement compliance programs. These programs include policies, procedures, and training designed to ensure that employees understand and follow the law. A strong compliance program can help prevent violations, detect issues early, and demonstrate a commitment to ethical conduct. Regular audits and reviews are also important to keep the program effective and up to date. Developing clear and comprehensive compliance policies is the first step toward meeting legal requirements. These policies should outline the rules and expectations for employees, covering topics like workplace behavior, data security, and reporting procedures. Effective policies are easy to understand and accessible to everyone in the organization. Regular updates ensure that policies stay current with changing laws and regulations. Training employees on compliance policies is essential for preventing violations. Training programs should cover the basics of government regulations, company policies, and reporting procedures. Interactive sessions, workshops, and online modules can help employees understand their responsibilities and recognize potential risks. Ongoing training ensures that everyone stays informed about new laws and best practices. Monitoring compliance involves regularly reviewing business practices to ensure they align with government laws and company policies. This can include internal audits, risk assessments, and performance evaluations. Monitoring helps organizations identify potential issues before they become major problems. It also demonstrates a proactive approach to compliance, which can be beneficial during government inspections or investigations. Reporting violations is a critical part of any compliance program. Employees should feel comfortable reporting suspected violations without fear of retaliation. Organizations can set up anonymous hotlines or online reporting systems to encourage transparency. Promptly investigating and addressing reports helps maintain trust and ensures that issues are resolved quickly and fairly. When a compliance violation occurs, organizations must take corrective actions to address the issue and prevent it from happening again. This may involve revising policies, retraining employees, or implementing new controls. Taking swift and effective action shows regulators and stakeholders that the organization is committed to compliance and continuous improvement. Risk management is closely linked to compliance. Organizations must identify, assess, and manage risks that could lead to legal violations. This involves analyzing business processes, monitoring changes in regulations, and preparing for potential threats. Effective risk management helps organizations stay compliant and avoid costly penalties. Internal audits are a valuable tool for ensuring compliance. Auditors review company records, processes, and controls to identify weaknesses and recommend improvements. Regular audits help organizations catch problems early and demonstrate a commitment to transparency. They also prepare businesses for external inspections by government agencies. Government agencies may conduct external inspections to ensure compliance with laws and regulations. These inspections can be scheduled or unannounced and may involve reviewing records, interviewing employees, and inspecting facilities. Being prepared for inspections is essential for avoiding penalties and demonstrating a culture of compliance. Non-compliance with government laws can result in serious penalties, including fines, legal action, and even criminal charges. The severity of the penalty depends on the nature and extent of the violation. In some cases, organizations may also face reputational damage and loss of business opportunities. Understanding the risks of non-compliance underscores the importance of following the law. Complying with government laws offers many benefits beyond avoiding penalties. It helps organizations build trust with customers, investors, and regulators. Compliance can also improve operational efficiency, reduce risks, and create a positive work environment. By making compliance a priority, organizations position themselves for long-term success. For organizations operating internationally, compliance can be even more complex. Different countries have their own laws and regulations, which may conflict or overlap. Navigating global compliance requires a deep understanding of local laws, cultural differences, and international standards. Multinational organizations often work with legal experts to ensure they meet all requirements in every market. Technology plays a major role in modern compliance efforts. Software tools can help organizations track regulations, manage documents, and monitor compliance activities. Automated systems make it easier to identify risks, generate reports, and maintain accurate records. Embracing technology can streamline compliance processes and reduce the risk of human error. Compliance officers are responsible for overseeing compliance programs and ensuring that organizations meet legal requirements. They develop policies, conduct training, monitor activities, and report violations. Compliance officers also serve as a point of contact for regulators and help guide organizations through complex legal landscapes. Their expertise is essential for maintaining a strong compliance culture. Leadership plays a crucial role in promoting compliance. Boards of directors and executives set the tone for the organization, emphasizing the importance of ethical conduct and legal compliance. When leaders prioritize compliance, employees are more likely to follow suit. Leadership involvement also ensures that compliance receives the resources and attention it deserves. Ethics and compliance go hand in hand. While compliance focuses on following the law, ethics involves doing what is right even when not required by law. Organizations with strong ethical values are more likely to comply with regulations and build lasting relationships with stakeholders. Promoting an ethical culture supports compliance efforts and enhances organizational integrity. Whistleblower protections are laws that safeguard employees who report violations or unethical behavior. These protections encourage transparency and accountability by ensuring that whistleblowers are not punished for speaking up. Organizations should have clear policies for handling whistleblower reports and protecting those who come forward. Anti-corruption laws are designed to prevent bribery, fraud, and other unethical practices. These laws apply to both public and private sectors, and violations can result in severe penalties. Organizations must implement controls to detect and prevent corruption, such as regular audits and employee training. Following anti-corruption laws is essential for maintaining trust and avoiding legal trouble. Anti-money laundering, AML laws, require organizations to detect and report suspicious financial activities. These laws help prevent criminals from using legitimate businesses to hide illegal funds. AML compliance involves monitoring transactions, verifying customer identities, and reporting suspicious activity to authorities. Non-compliance can result in severe penalties and reputational harm. Some industries face unique compliance requirements. For example, healthcare organizations must follow laws like HIPAA to protect patient privacy, while financial institutions must comply with banking regulations. Understanding industry-specific laws is essential for avoiding violations and maintaining operational integrity. Many businesses need licenses or permits to operate legally. These documents demonstrate that the organization meets government standards and is authorized to conduct certain activities. Failing to obtain or renew licenses can result in fines or business closure. Staying on top of licensing requirements is a key part of compliance. Accurate record keeping is essential for compliance. Organizations must maintain detailed records of financial transactions, employee information, and business activities. These records may be reviewed during audits or inspections. Proper record keeping helps organizations demonstrate compliance and respond quickly to government inquiries. Many compliance laws require organizations to submit regular reports to government agencies. These reports may cover financial performance, safety incidents, or environmental impact. Timely and accurate reporting is essential for demonstrating compliance and avoiding penalties. Organizations should establish processes to ensure that all reporting obligations are met. Organizations are often responsible for ensuring that their suppliers, contractors, and partners also comply with government laws. This is known as third-party compliance. Conducting due diligence, setting clear expectations, and monitoring third-party activities can help organizations avoid liability for violations committed by others. Contractual compliance involves meeting the terms and conditions set out in contracts with customers, suppliers, or government agencies. Failing to comply with contract terms can result in legal disputes and financial losses. Organizations should review contracts carefully and ensure that all obligations are met. Compliance is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement. Organizations should regularly review and update their policies, procedures, and training programs to keep up with changing laws and best practices. Continuous improvement helps organizations stay ahead of risks and maintain a strong compliance culture. Legal counsel plays a vital role in helping organizations navigate complex compliance requirements. Lawyers provide advice on interpreting laws, drafting policies, and responding to government inquiries. Having access to legal expertise can help organizations avoid costly mistakes and ensure that compliance efforts are effective. Small businesses face unique compliance challenges due to limited resources and expertise. However, compliance is just as important for small organizations as it is for large corporations. Simple steps like developing clear policies, training employees, and seeking legal advice can help small businesses stay compliant and avoid costly penalties. Nonprofit organizations must also comply with government laws, including those related to fundraising, tax-exempt status, and reporting. Nonprofits face unique challenges, such as managing donations and maintaining transparency. By following compliance requirements, nonprofits can build trust with donors and fulfill their missions effectively. Compliance is constantly evolving as new laws and technologies emerge. Recent trends include increased focus on data privacy, environmental sustainability, and social responsibility. Organizations must stay informed about these trends to remain compliant and competitive in a changing landscape. Staying informed about changes in laws and regulations is essential for compliance. Organizations can subscribe to legal updates, attend industry conferences, and participate in training programs to keep up with new developments. Proactive learning helps organizations anticipate changes and adapt quickly. Let's look at a case study of a company that successfully implemented a compliance program. By developing clear policies, training employees, and conducting regular audits, the company avoided legal trouble and built a strong reputation. This example shows that investing in compliance pays off in the long run. Now, consider a company that ignored compliance requirements. This organization faced fines, legal action, and loss of customer trust due to repeated violations. The case highlights the risks of neglecting compliance and the importance of proactive management. The future of government compliance law will be shaped by new technologies, evolving regulations, and changing societal expectations. Organizations must remain agile and adaptable to keep up with these changes. Investing in compliance now will help organizations thrive in the future and avoid costly setbacks. In summary, government compliance law is a vital part of modern business. It covers a wide range of topics, from labor and environmental laws to data protection and anti-corruption measures. By understanding and following compliance requirements, organizations can avoid legal trouble, build trust, and achieve long-term success. Remember, compliance is an ongoing process that requires commitment and continuous improvement. Thank you for joining us on this journey through government compliance law. Whether you're a business owner, employee, or simply interested in the topic, understanding compliance is key to navigating today's complex legal environment. Stay informed, stay proactive, and remember that compliance is everyone's responsibility. Until next time, keep striving for excellence and integrity in all you do.